Translation from Spanish to French. Dominican president criticized 4 repetitive speeches on Haiti at the UN. This translation was brought to you by Gesner Deslandes, Engineer-in-Chief at globalinternet.py. Date: July 6, 2026. Dominican president criticized for repetitive speeches on Haiti at the UN. It's unbelievable. The President of the Dominican Republic has participated in the United Nations General Assembly 5 times, year after year. Do you know why? To talk about the same subject. 5 participations to say the same thing. A waste of time, a waste of the presidential figure. Of one case, of one topic, sir, do you know what it's called? The only thing I've gone to talk about is the President of the Republic. About Haiti. Now he added the Salgazo. He added it, but the only topic the President knows in 5 years at the United Nations General Assembly is to talk about Haiti. There are so many topics in the Dominican Republic. For more than 60 years, the international community has not been interested in the Haitian issue. That they send a mission to Haiti, that they send that. In the Dominican Republic, that will not solve any problem. It will not solve the rice problem, it will not solve the blackout problem, the services problem. But it is questionable that a president participates. It has been 5 years that he visits the United Nations General Assembly in New York to talk about the same topic. To talk about Haiti. To talk about Haiti, Mr. President, you must change that subject. That brings absolutely nothing to the country. It's unbelievable. This translation was brought to you by Gesner Deslandes, Engineer-in-Chief at globalinternet.py. If you found this translation helpful, please consider supporting our work. Your donation helps us continue providing accurate, professional translation services for news reports, speeches, interviews, and more. Support our translation services. Mobile phone donate via Prism Transfer, 509 4738 to 5663. Email symbol email, deslandes78@gmail.com. Globe with Meridian's website, https://globalinternetsitp-abh7v16 miskay xxnupldcgk.streamlit.app. Contact info. Mobile phone 509 4738 to 5663, Moncash Prism Transfer. Email symbol email, deslandes78@gmail.com. Globe with Meridian's website, https://globalinternetsitp-abh7v16 miskay xxnupldcgk.streamlit.app. globalinternet.py, connecting the global market with our expertise.